Right now, this video will take you through on the Xtrade website. The first step you want to do is go to the Xtrade.com website, which will be in the description box down below this video. In this video, you can see the overview of the website. So let's get started. You can see that there is a slide where you can find more info. I will say start trading. You can also see on the menu bar, I will say popular, risers and fallers, shares, commodities, indices, foxes, and cryptocurrencies. You can click short or buy. Learn how to trade like a pro. Develop your trading skills and strategies with our professional trading tools, education resources, and daily market review. You can watch this video so you can learn how to market your review. You can download this app on the Google Play Store or the App Store. As you guys know, this is available on smartphones, laptops, and an iPad. Award-winning platform. You can see here that these are the awards that have been approved. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, go to the WheezCoins page. You can read and learn over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video helped you on the Xtrade website.